Nike Sportswear refreshes Bruce Kilgore's iconic 1983 Air Force 1 low with a daring women's exclusive pearl white leopard edition for the fall or winter 2025 lineup. This sneaker fuses refined tones of pearl white and khaki with bold team red swooshes and branding along the heel spine, balancing classic simplicity with fierce character. Faux leopard fur overlays at the heel inject a striking, wild aesthetic, echoing the vibe of the recently revealed Khaki Leopard Dunk Low. The shoe's sole unit embraces a pearl white and khaki combination, with khaki dominating the outsole's radial traction pattern for functional flair. Adding to its uniqueness, the lace dubraes move away from the standard rectangle, instead highlighting a large Nike message flanked by tri-star motifs and diamond-like accents. Official images confirm its stylish versatility, with the launch expected to arrive on Nike.com before November 2025.